Step 1. Download app to connect with EPSON printer. Step 2. Choose phone model. Step 3. Select image. Tip 1. High pixel image. Tip 2. Finger touch to adjust to proper size. Step 4. Print out. Step 5. Put sublimation film into EPSON printer tips. Side matte, face us. Step 6. Dry the image. Tips. 1. Place it on the DIY phone case printer to dry. 2. Use fingernail to scrape to image corner to tell if dry or not. Step 7. Pre-warm mold 2 to 3-minute PS. Remember to wear gloves. Tips. Step 6 and Step 7 can together. Step 8. Pre-warm phone case 30 seconds. Tips. 1. Press to fit mold. 2. Clean dust. Step 9. Put into image. Tips. Fit the frame angle. Step 10. Press 3 seconds to start. Ding, ding. 3 minutes later, you got it. Congrats. Cross.